Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fold the FX by Jayson Merrill from Easy Aircraft Origami. It's pretty easy, obviously. You are going to need a square sheet of paper. You are going to begin by folding the top edge down to the bottom edge, just like this. And then fold both of these edges up to the top. Just like this, as far as they will go. Repeat on the other side. Alright, turn the paper over, and then you are going to fold these edges in to the bottom this time. And turn the model over. And then fold both of these flaps into the center. And then you are going to, you are going to fold both of these edges from inside the pocket, making a crease from all the way to the corner, all the way from the corner going down to this corner. Repeat on the other side. And then you are going to squash this flap up, just like that. And then fold these edges back to the center. Then you are going to fold them out like this, where the crease starts in the middle between this point and this edge, and it ends right at the intersection of this edge and that edge. Repeat on the other side. And then you are going to squash fold both of these. Like that. And then you are going to inside reverse fold these flaps inside, just like this. And then turn the model over. And then fold in the sides just along the edge from that point. They won't go any farther from there because they're stuck on the edge. And then you're going to fold the sides over just like that. This is not symmetrical for me, but that's fine as long as it's symmetrical for you. Yeah, anyway, fold them in just like that, and then turn the model over, and then fold it in half. You can tuck these into the pocket just so that they don't like fold out. And you are going to fold the wings down, making a crease that goes straight through this point and that point. Fold them straight down. Oh, and these flaps, you're going to fold them out just like this. So like that. And you can just match the other wing up. If you're using printer paper, it will get pretty thick up towards the front. Now, this little triangle here, you are going to inside of wrist fold it up. Along both of its edges. Just like that. And then inside of wrist fold this part back down. Normally this would stick out more, but yeah. And then you are going to fold up the wings and the tail fins. And then this middle layer here, you are going to fold it up to lock the plane together. So make a crease going from the wings crease but don't make it too high. And then you can fold the wings down again. And now all that's left to do is shape the plane to however you like it. And, well, besides that, the final step, besides shaping it, is to round these two layers to make like an afterburner. About like that. You can shape yours so however you like it. Yeah, after you've done that, there it is, the FX. I hope you enjoyed folding it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.